In this video, you'll learn how to carry out a recrystallization to purify a compound. Begin by heating a recrystallization solvent on a hot plate. Ideally, you want to choose a solvent in which the compound is soluble in the hot solvent and insoluble in the cool solvent. Transfer your compound in a boiling stone to a beaker or Erlenmeyer flask. Using a pipette, transfer some of the solvent to the beaker to dissolve most of the compound. Add hot solvent until it appears that all of the compound has dissolved. Next, set up an apparatus for gravity filtration. Add and then wet the filter paper. Be sure to pour out any of the water that has filtered through. Holding the glassware at the top, pour the dissolved compound in the middle of the funnel. Now you can place the flask on ice and wait for your compound to crystallize out. While you are waiting for your compound to crystallize, you can set up the apparatus for vacuum filtration. Add an adapter, Buchner funnel, and small piece of filter paper to a sidearm flask. Connect tubing from a vacuum source to the side arm of a trap. Then connect tubing from the top of the trap to the side arm of the sidearm flask. Now the apparatus is ready for gravity filtration. Once the mixture has sufficiently cooled, you are able to carry out gravity filtration. Add the mixture to the Buchner funnel and then turn on the vacuum. If any crystals remain in the flask, add some cool solvent and add that to the Buchner funnel. The pure crystals you have collected on the filter paper have been separated from insoluble impurities and then from soluble impurities. Turn the vacuum source off. Next, remove the crystals from the filter paper by scraping the paper with a scapula.